Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 17th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I am reviewing the Dow 30 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendations. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other. Make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. One guy asked me, say, why check with your financial advisor? The thing is, do you have the funds to actually trade? Do you have the money to lose, in the market if things go haywire? That's the thing. Do you have that expendable cash, And that's what it should be and all if you're trading to get when you're getting started. All right, let's just jump right over into the charts and see what we see. What I see is all-time highs. We have made it to where I was expecting us to go. We have reached that high, and let's zoom on in here and take a closer look and see what exactly I'm looking at. I'm gonna go ahead and maximize these charts and all. As we can see on this quarterly chart, we actually crossed an R1 on the yearly pivots. We would have been I don't even think we spent too much time below that R1 level, but we had an R1 of a quarterly chart. This is where you would definitely want to start managing your trades and all. You want to make sure you got your stops in place if this thing actually wants to take a pull back and all. Because again, it's at a place where you would almost expect that. Let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. And on the monthly chart, as we can see right here, we've had a couple strong months, and right now we at an R3 level on quarterly pivots. Again, it's lining up with what we see on the yearly pivots, where we're at a point where, again, once we touch these areas, you definitely need to have your stop in place and all, and start managing your trades and all. But and at this point, the Dow very seldom goes higher than this in a quarter, but we have to in a month, but we have to kind of like just wait and see. That's why I say start managing. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. Like I had said, I thought we had our Christmas rally already before Christmas, and this thing is still running. Last week was a hot week with FOMC, information coming out, and we went higher and made all-time highs, and that's where we're at right now. Like I say, the only thing that that I can see that can slow this market down is we're at those pivots. Any other kind of news. Again, you're in a management phase right now on any positions that you may have related to the Dow. Let's go down to the daily noise and see what we see there, and wrap this on up. On the daily chart, as you can see here, on Wednesday was a big pop day. Then Thursday, it popped. It gapped up again. Those people who got the news the next morning and all, it pulled back a little bit to close that gap and went higher. And as you can see, if you're the type of trader who likes seeing, these gaps, even if it's a wick gap, you want to see that gap get closed. Let me just increase that a little bit. You can see even that gap has been closed based on the wicks. So this thing, again, and we're above last week. We went actually above an R3 level on the weekly pivots. This was kind of like, whoa. It was a major move. You don't see this that often. It happened back here also because the Dow has been, like I had said before, I saw the Dow was one of the ones that was being really hot and all, and making some crazy moves. And the Dow did it again last week. It made a big crazy move based on the news, and then that's where we're at. So that's all I really want to share here on the Dow. I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.